Hi, my name is Alex. I wanted to introduce myself as your salesperson and to let you know that our production team has created a video especially for you. I hope you like it.
Hi David. This 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon comes equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, LED headlights and fog lights, custom rims, lift kit, 4-wheel drive aluminum wheels, movable body panels, and a white exterior. Aside from your standard features such as remote start, this vehicle includes cruise and media steering wheel mounted controls, front and rear sway control, touchscreen media center with AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, GPS navigation, off-road pages, Bluetooth audio, Uconnect phone connectivity, and backup camera with parking sensors. As well, David, the interior features red stitched leather seating with manual adjustment, heated seating and steering wheel, dual zone climate control system, and standard folding rear seating.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you here at South Trail Chrysler, Canada's largest Chrysler store. See you soon!